Hey ladies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to design your own wire bra for Carnival. So what you're going to need is a wire bra, some applique, gems and trim, tensor tape, scissors and a glue gun, and also a 1/4 inch of polyester slash spandex blend fabric. So this is my girl Tasia, and she's just cutting this tensor tape in half just for easier for wrapping the wire bra. And what we did was just wrap the whole entire wire bra with tensor tape. And you might want to do this a second time for the sides of your wire bra, just so it doesn't press on your skin. So this is what the wire bra looks like after it's been wrapped with the tensor tape. And what we're going to do is do the exact same thing with the fabric now and wrap the whole entire bra with this fabric. So now I'm just going to be cutting out the flower portion from my applique, and I'm going to be putting that on my bra. The best thing to do is to put tape on the back of the applique just to see with the placement how you want it to be designed based on what your liking is for your bra, because once you put you glue it down with your glue gun, then there's no room for error and it's stuck on and it'll be really hard to take off. So now I'm just sticking down my appliques based on the way I wanted it designed, and I think I'm just going to speed this up now because it's just basically placing the beads just to my liking. So at this point I was basically done with my bra, but then when I tried it on, it wasn't looking that great, so I wanted to bling it up a little bit more. So I went to the fabric store and I got some more blinged out chain. So what I did is I got my pliers and I just cut them in place. And right now you just see I'm just putting it on the sides of my bra. So now you just grab a piece of felt fabric and fold that in half and cut that down the center, and then fold it again for a rectangle. And then I'm just going to be placing that on the inside of my bra just so the chain part doesn't rub against my breast. So I grabbed the remainder part of my fabric, and I think I measured about 2 inches of that I was going to be cutting, and I'm just cutting that all the way across. And when you're done, it looks like this. And so you're just going to be pulling it just to stretch it out. And this is going to be for the straps. And don't worry, it's not going to rip. I thought it was going to rip, but it doesn't. It's really, really secure. What you're going to do afterwards, get yourself a safety pin, and you're just going to put that on the end of the strap. And this is for easier access to loop it through the hole of your wire bra. So as you can see, it's a lot easier to insert the strap with the safety pin as opposed to by itself. And all I did was crisscross it in the back. Make sure that you lift up your girls when you are tying it in the back. And this is the final look of my wire bra. It turned out so well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and take care. Bye!